Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix the WordPress error that says an installation already exists as per our record. I faced this error while installing WordPress on my domain, and I will tell you how to fix this error in the easiest way. So if you have not watched my previous video where I explained how to get a free domain, free hosting and free SSL, go check it out. The link is in the description below. It is very informative video, so do watch it after this one. Now let's get back to the issue. You can see here I entered my username and password. Then when I click the install button, this error is popped up and installation already exists as per our record. So what do we do? Simple. Let's go back from this screen. Go to the Softaculous dashboard. Here you can see the WordPress and other apps as well. Now on the top you can see the installation. It shows one installation exists. Click on installation. Now you can see your existing installation here. Just click delete to remove it. Once deleted, go back to the WordPress and click on install again. Now select the URL where you want to install the WordPress. Set your username and password again. Make sure they are secure. Click on advanced option if you want to explore them, but you can leave them as they are. Now click the install button. Wait a few seconds. And there you go. WordPress has been installed successfully without any error. So that's the best and easiest ways to fix the an installation already exists per our record error and install WordPress the right way. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.